Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinit, class 10th standard, explanation, 11th chapter, trigonometry introduction. See here, before going into the session, I want to explain you that what is trigonometry, which we are going to deal with. See here, what is mean by trigonometry? The type of mathematics that deals with the relationship between sides angles of a triangle. See here, it deals with sides and angles of a triangle. See before, what is side and what is angle. See here, what is angle here? The space between two lines that meet measured in degrees. See see here, these are two lines. When they coincide means when they meet, it is formed as an angle. You already know that angle is measured in degrees. How it is measured in degrees? See 0 degree, 2 degrees, 10 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees. See, like that it will be measured. Angle is measured in degrees. It is formed by two intersecting lines. See here, this is an angle here. And what is side here? See, this is triangle and this is rectangle. See, these lines are called as sides. See, one side, two sides, three sides. See how many sides does rectangle has? Four sides. How? See here, one side, two sides, three sides, four sides. Triangle has three sides and rectangle has four sides. See, like that only trigonometry deals with sides angles of a triangle. Understand how it deals? Now we are going to discuss the topic. See here. See here, trigonometry deals with triangles. See, this is a triangle. Let it be A, this is B and this is C. See here, let us see what are the properties of a triangle. A triangle has three sides, three vertices and three angles. See here, you already know that what is mean by side. See, one side, two sides, three sides. Yes, no, triangle has sides, three vertices. What is mean by vertices? By joining two lines, the point will seen here, that is known as vertices. See how many vertices does a triangle has? See, one vertices, two vertices and three vertices. A triangle has three sides, three vertices and three angles. See here, angle A and angle B and angle C. See, by joining two lines, the angle is formed here, angle A and angle B and angle C. Next, the sum of three interior angles of a triangle is always 180. See here, when we add these angles of a degrees, the angle must be, whatever you take triangle, nothing is important. By taking three sides, three vertices, three angles, if you join, when we measure, the triangle is compulsory, it is in the form of 180 degrees. The interior angle must be interior angle 180 degrees. See here, these are the properties. Now let us discuss what is triangle. In geometry, a triangle is a closed two-dimensional shape with three straight lines. In geometry, geo means earth, metry means measuring. In earth measuring, that means in geometry, a triangle is a closed. See here, it is a closed figure. See here, it is a closed figure and two-dimensional shape. What is meant by two dimensions here? Dimensions means, two dimensions means, see, triangle has base, see, base and height. See, what are these? Base and height. Height and base are two dimensions. Rectangle has also two dimensionals. Square has also two dimensionals. See here, it is a base It is an height. See a two-dimensional shape with three straight lines. I already said you triangle has a three straight lines. See, triangle. For simple understanding, I will explain you. Tri means three, angles means three angles. A closed figure with three angles, three sides, three vertices is called as triangle. We discussed in trigonometry will deals with triangle. What type of triangles it deals with? See, in this trigonometry, all triangles contain two sides and hypotenuse. See how it is possible, sir. See, let us take one example. See here. Here it is a triangle ABC. See, here it is an hypotenuse. See, hypotenuse means largest side in a triangle. See, when you compare these two sides, it is the largest side. So, in this trigonometry will deals with two sides and hypotenuse. Now, let us see what is opposite sides, what are adjacent sides of a triangle. See, let us take in trigonometry these type of triangles only we have to take. Understand, in trigonometry compulsory we have to take this type of triangles only. See here, let us take a triangle with ABC vertices 90 degrees. When we take angle A has angle A, for angle A what is opposite? See, this is opposite. You observe my hand. See, this is opposite. This is adjacent. Adjacent means side. Opposite, this is side. This is side. Adjacent. Adjacent side. This is opposite. See, angle A opposite is BC. Angle A adjacent is AB. You already know that hypotenuse is the largest side. Angle A, see, side AC is an hypotenuse. Now let us take, now we will take like this. See, R has, by point outing R. See, when we point out R, see what is opposite here? See, opposite. Opposite, angle R opposite is PQ. Adjacent is, adjacent means side. What is side here? QR. QR is adjacent. Now what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the largest side. PR is an hypotenuse. Now let us take this part. We completed this part and this part. Now we will take this part. See here, X, Y, Z. This is an part. When we take this part, this is an opposite side. But we know that in triangle the largest side is an hypotenuse. When we take this opposite side, but it is an hypotenuse, no. So it is not possible in this triangle. Only these two we can take. For example, if we take X means this is an opposite, this is an adjacent and this is an hypotenuse. When we take Z means this is an opposite and this is an adjacent and this is an hypotenuse. When we take Y, this is an opposite but this is an hypotenuse actually. So it is not possible in this triangle. When we take Y by point outing, it is not possible in this. So we have to take X and Z only. Not X and Z. Any vertices in these we can take. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon. Whenever I keep the video, you will get the notification. This is a very interesting chapter, so please don't skip it. Thank you for watching.